Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be installing the muzzle brake on my AR Yankee Hill, the aggressive end. Got it for about 27 bucks. I'm going to do the install now. Now, I did not have a vise, so I went ahead and picked up this table swivel vise. 28 bucks from Harbor Freight Tools, pretty good. I went ahead and installed it on my table. I got my AR in here. I don't have the block, so I put a rag, as you can see, and I tighten it down. Got a 3/4 inch wrench, and let's go ahead and take this bad boy off. Now you have to do a little bit of force, but I already went ahead and did that. So all I'm going to do is simply remove. That's the old bird cage flash hider. I'm going to install it just the same way. While I'm here, I'm going to clean this up. And remember, you can't use this. This is one and you're done. So it goes like that. Hold on. That's the new one. ½ inch by 28. All I'm going to do now is just tighten it down. I believe there's a certain method that the tighten, bring back, tighten, bring back. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and verify. There's this site you can go on back here where it explains, and that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. But that's your basic principle of how to do it. A vise, a rag. It'd be better if you had the block, but I don't have money for that shit. So I'll makeshift it, and that's it. So as you can see, it's already mounted on. All I'm going to do is just go ahead and tighten that up. That's it. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching.